So you want to learn about animation? Let's talk about bone dynamic. It is a way to animate each part of the body as a gesture, so let us dive in.
Okay, YouTubers, let's start doing our bone dynamic. So, first of all, you can see here it is red in this timeline. It is because I have created, I don't want my animation to go over 102 because this animation is long, but for preview purpose, I just need to go up to 102. So control and right click. So when we play our animation, you can see that once it reaches the timeline on 102, it goes back. Okay, right. So how to create bone dynamic? You're gonna go to bone layer, and this time I'm going to select manipulate bone, and I will go to this bone here. Okay, and I will move my cursor maybe to number 12, and I will move my character slightly front like this with the hand just like this. Let's change. Okay, like that, just like that. Go back to bone layer. Now we are interested into only this bone here, just to bend the character or the torso front and back. When you start, I suggest that don't make a huge bend because it's gonna give you a little bit trouble, although you can correct that no problem. Okay, I will be going like left and right, left, right, left and right, left, right. It's just to create some shaking of the body. And this, just like that. And here, the hand were up. We will bring the hand down slightly, and this like this. So let's check it. Okay, here let's bring the hand down, and just like that. Okay, bring it here, maybe bring it this way and this way. And bring that down here and bring it here. Bring your hand back just like this. We might maybe when we are here, we could do like maybe bring the character a little bit down if we want. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, so nothing is happening here. You can see it is just a normal movement of the character. Okay. With this one, I think I need a little bit here to bring this down and this up like this. Okay. Right. Okay. So once I've created that, I'm gonna click this or select this bone here. Select this bone and let's click spacebar. Go to bone constraint. I'm gonna wait until this goes back to 0 there, and then I will click bone dynamic. Now, okay. So you can see the head. It's moving based on the movement of the character. When the character is gesturing, the head also is following the movement. I did not animate the head, however, the head is following the bone dynamic. You can see in the bone dynamic here we have got like torque forces, spring forces, and damping forces. You can increase this at the same time and see how is the movement the way you want it. So you can include the bone dynamic, or you can add bone dynamic to any bones, not only the head, anything. It could be the it could be the legs, it could be anything what you want. It could be the hairs, it could be ears, it also could be the eyes. Okay, so now I'm just gonna send my animation, export animation. Okay, let's see when it started, how the bounce was. Okay, when it started, the bounce was more. Like I said, you need to be very careful. So you can see here, when it started, there is a huge bend or huge springs bouncing. This is because, as I said before, you don't have to bend your character like leaning forward or back more, because this is the issue, but it's not a problem. You can correct that anytime. So if you have enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to enable notification. And if you don't have any characters, as I said, all these characters will be available in my website. You just need to check the description box below and click the link which will take you to my website.